We have all heard of 10-euro sailboats, but you have not heard about $300 profit sailboats. That's right. I got $300 for taking this boat, or 300 euros. And you will soon see why I got paid for taking this boat, because it was an awful boat and it's a little bit awful still. But let's get to it. So I have done it again. I managed to get myself into another junk boat, and I know it seems awful, because it is awful. It is pretty awful. Let me show the other side. I was at the family dinner, and someone in the family said, I can have a boat you can have, because I talked about that I lived on a boat now and had fixed the boat. And yeah, now I'm currently in this 27 foot, and this is I don't think it's as big as it's not as big as a project as my boat, because it looks really bad. But the teak, it's the same state as my boat was, and it's just a little bit more messy, but the outside is much better. It's just messy, but the paint and everything and the rigging is up, so this will actually be quite easier. But now the thing that decides if I'm going to do this project or not is the engine. So I'm currently trying to unlock the engine. It's not spinning, so I have put penetrated oil into the cylinder, and now I'm lancing out the water so I can actually work in here. It's horrible to stand, and it's just so much junk here, but yeah. I'm currently cleaning the boat. I've got most things out. Seals look quite bad. I got help from my grandfather today. Wow. Okay, it's day 2 of fixing this junk boat. Yesterday we got all the junk out of the boat and the water and cleaned it like a little bit. But today we need to make that engine turn. I made it move a little bit yesterday. I don't know if I said that, but we see in the editing. Bob have joined us to help us. He's a pro diesel mechanic. He's really the best when it comes to diesel mechanic. Isn't that right, Bob? Hi, Bob. Hi. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah, he doesn't talk that much. He's a chill guy. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how it looks. The tiller has been broken. I like it works, but I don't know how that happened. I need to weld it again. Some extreme amount of forces. Hey Bob, what do you say? What should we do now? Okay, the engine is still stuck. I'm going to try to turn the valve cover. The gear is working. I felt that it went into every gear, so it's not the gear locking it up. So I'm gonna see if it's the vents, the timing. I don't know the word in English. And the oil. Let's check the oil. I checked it yesterday. It's on the right. Oh yeah, you see, the oil is really good, black and nice, and it's all the way up. So it's, if it were to be more than full, then it would probably be water in it, since the water is laying at the bottom and lifting the oil up. So it's not the water in it. That's really nice. And if it were water in it, it would be also grey. So this is really promising. I hope it's the timing that's just a little rusty. I found out something really cool about this boat, and that is that Oi, Bob. Oh, Bob, what are you doing, Bob? That is that I need to set the camera here. Yeah, here the camera can see. It's the, I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can see. Here, yeah, now you can see the entire. Oh shit! It's water in the sink. The entire kitchen moves. That's pretty cool. Like I can tug it away. Like now it's almost away. Oh fuck! What is that slime, man? Oh hell no! Ah, yeah, so you see the kitchen go out and it can go out even more. Isn't that pretty cool? That's really cool. Shit, that was nasty. It's some, oh my god. It's ready to be taken off. Moment of something. Oh, I hope the valve is good. Okay, let's put this here. Okay. Okay, it doesn't look rusty or anything. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Nice oil up in everywhere. Oh, it's a little rust actually. I see a little rust. Let's get the spray. Let's get the spray. Where is it? Oh, it's really behind me. Yeah. Okay, let's just. Wow, come on. Yeah. Hopefully this helps. Now we can try and move it on the flywheel. Let's just get it nice and oiled up. Okay, that's probably enough. Okay, okay. What happens now? Well, nothing happens, of course. I can't do this on camera. Oh man. I really just wasted my time trying to fix the engine while it was inside. I snapped one of the engine mounts and trying to free it, and eventually I just took it out. The day after I traveled over the fjord to help fix a boat that I gave to my cousin. This boat is a boat that me and some friends, we got it for free in Bergen, and we towed it with my sailboat and towed it all the way to Hardanger, to the fjords where we are fixing the boat now. We have painted it, but I didn't find any footage of the boat being painted, but yeah, that was a fun little side project. The next thing I had to do with the sailboat was taking the mast down, and that didn't go too well. Well, after a fast way to get the mast down, the boat was ready to go on land. And the crane truck came, it tried to pick it up, so the footage you see now is the first crane truck. We had to get some other crane truck, because the first one wasn't strong enough to lift the boat, apparently, even though it's a light boat. Okay, the boat is up, boat is up. It went bad at first. We had like big crane cars here. The first one didn't manage to get it up. The second one came and we dragged it up from there, and it took 20 minutes and then it was up. So now we're scraping. Here's some scraping ASMR. Oh no! I drilled the hole through so I can just power wash the entire thing. Then here I go. Okay everyone! Now we have sparkled everything. This is all sparkle, and here we haven't sanded it down yet. And Grandpa is here with me today to help me paint. Oh wow. Oh wow. Here we have sparkled and sanded. We need a little bit more sparkle to fill the small hole salt. Yeah, I need to continue sanding this side. It's a lot of sparkle on it. I'm using glass fiber sparkle from Biltema. I have drilled another hole in the boat. This one is a little further down, the other one was too high up. Didn't drain it too well. Here's the other hole. There's this one. So much water. And this absolutely stinks here because of these shells. They're all cracked open and died now. I painted the boat. This is the first coat and it was a little bit too cold, so the other side it didn't get the full glass and it's little bubbles and it's some flies in here as well. But when the temperature gets warmer again, I'm going to sand over with the right paper and paint over again, and then it will become perfect. It already looks pretty good, but it will become much better when I do it in the spring. This boat is so skinny. God damn, it's skinny boat. Look at the colors. These colors are insane. It's so bright yellow, orange. Look, the water has made stupid stains. It doesn't matter because this is the first coat. Now we have water from here to here, oops, and there, and here, and out there, on the second hole. Oh, this is a nasty boat. Look at this bilge. It's black and shit. Okay, that's it for now. Stay tuned for part 2.